Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to link OneDrive accounts in Windows 10. So if you do not already know, OneDrive is cloud storage for files that you may have on your computer and you want to have them backed up on the cloud. So by default, OneDrive actually starts up when your computer starts up, so as to sync all of your files to the latest version, which I guess makes sense if you think about it. So in the event that you want to enable this feature, I will be walking through those steps today. So in order to link your OneDrive account to Windows 10, what you want to do is left click on the little OneDrive icon down the system tray. So if it doesn't show up by default right under here, left click on this little up arrow, which will show hidden icons, and there should be a little icon of a cloud. If OneDrive is not signed in, it'll appear as a grayed out cloud. So just simply left click on the cloud, and at this point it'll say welcome to OneDrive, your most important files with you wherever you go on any device. So left click on get started. So at this point you would either sign into your Microsoft account or create one in order to link up with your OneDrive account. So pretty straightforward, just follow along with the on-screen instructions at this point and you should be able to get OneDrive linked up. You'll be prompted to enter a phone or I believe even an email to help verify your identity, in which you have to put in a verification code. So then just follow along, click the next key, and it will set up OneDrive and it will explain to you exactly where it's located on your computer. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next video. Goodbye.